So what type of orders can be on which the appeal can be filed? First is the demand related order. That is there, the functionality is available there. So in case if there is any DRC-07 is issued against on a order, appeal can be filed by the taxpayer. For the revocation related order, even for the registration, if the registration of the taxpayer is cancelled by the tax official, appeal can be filed. In case the applicant has applied for new registration and in the process of verification, despite giving explanation to the queries raised by the proper officer, in case registration is rejected by the proper officer, appeal can be filed. So these functionalities are available on GST portal. For other things related to refunds and recovery, it is going on, and the process is under development, and it will be deployed on the portal in very shortly. So for filing an appeal, what are the preconditions? So there is one precondition which is very necessary to explain you, that minimum 10% of the disputed amount of tax is required to be deposited as pre-deposit. The percentage is on the pre-deposit is required only for the disputed amount of tax. It is not for the penalties, interest, and others. So please, it is very important to mention that only the tax amount is relevant here. So for the tax amount, 10% pre-deposit will be required. In some of the cases, like registration related cases and other cases where no amount is involved, then how this pre-deposit will be deposited? We have received some queries on the help desk on this matter. So in that case, you have in the disputed amount section you have to enter 0. After putting the value 0, you can file the appeal. The system will not restrict you. Since common format is designed, therefore this is there. So as I have already told you that order of rejection can be appealed. Order of cancellation of registration can be appealed. Even the registration related to the temporary suo motu registration, on which we have recently given this functionality to file an appeal. Earlier it was not there. So it is now the enforcement related matters. For the enforcement related matters, appeal can be filed. While starting the discussion, I have mentioned that there are some cases where appeal cannot be filed. These cases are the cases in case appeal is filed before the appellate tribunal, High Court or Supreme Court, you cannot file the appeal. Similarly, for the on the processing of appeal, if it is pending before the appellate tribunal, High Court and Supreme Court, the appeal cannot be filed. Any appeal related to enhancement of the pre-deposit amount, it cannot be entertained by the appellate authority. Similarly, enhancement of the pre-deposit for the appeal with the appellate tribunal, it cannot be entertained. And there are some cases which are related to the proceedings mentioned in section 120 and 121 of the GST Act. These are non-appellable.